Hey guys, this is my hair. I haven't touched it since I woke up, and it is full of bobby pins in the back because I was cleaning the house and I put all the bobby pins in my hair that I found. So now I'm brushing my hair from bottom up, and I wanted to let you guys know Ulta Beauty just launched Hair Heroes. Each month they'll highlight one hair care trend and feature awesome products from multiple brands. September's trend is dry shampoo, so here are the 6 dry shampoos. They absorb the oils in your hair and make it smell fresh and clean, and it also gives you texture. I always prefer having dirtier hair with dry shampoo because it gives braids amazing texture, and you don't have to try so hard when you're doing the hairstyle because it just stays where you want it to go. I'm in love with dry shampoo. I use it basically every day. If I haven't said it enough already, dry shampoo is life. First, I'm using the ROCKAHOLIC dry shampoo, and then on the other side, I'm using the Eva NYC Freshen Up dry shampoo. And then just for fun, I'm going to use another one in the back. They all are amazing. This one is the DRYBAR Detox dry shampoo. This one smells so good. I let it sit for just a minute and then work it into my scalp, just kind of massaging it like this. Now that I have all this amazing volume, I'm going to go ahead and start my side braid. I just recently cut some longer bangs, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave those out, but if I hadn't cut them, I would have added them into this hairstyle, so you can add them or leave them out. I'm gonna take a section on the heavy side of my part and split it into 3, and I'm gonna start doing a French braid. So I'm just adding hair to the outside strands, crossing the outside pieces over the middle. I'm going to continue adding pieces from the outside over the middle, and then as I reach about the top of my ear, I'm going to start taking sections from right behind my head. This way it just all comes together evenly and you don't see any part lines or anything like that. And I'm keeping this braid very tight because I don't want the back to fall out. Continue braiding all the way down once you've added in all of the hair. This is what it looks like before it's pulled apart. I'm spraying it with hairspray. Now I'm going to pull it apart, make it look nice and big. I'm pulling on just these inside loops. So the original loops inside, not the hair that you added to the braid. So don't pull up that piece or else your braid would get very saggy. You're just going to pull out those inside loops, and then on the bottom just pull out the very outer edges. But that's basically the key to this hairstyle, is just pulling on the inside loops, and then once I've done that, I like just pulling on the rest of the hair to give myself some body. To finish it off, I'm taking a little piece, wrapping it around, and then make sure the ends are in the second elastic and wrap it around. This just hides the first elastic. I'm using clear eyebrow gel to smooth down my baby hairs. And here's the side-by-side difference. This is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching.